What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to finally reveal to you my E-Trade and M1 Finance dividend portfolio. It's been a while, and I'm going to explain to you my rationales in future videos with some of the stocks that I bought. Some of your tips help, by the way. Recommendations, hey, what do you think of this stock? I liked it so much that I bought it. So I'm going to reveal to you my M1 Finance and E-Trade dividend portfolios. The dividends are flowing right now. So I'm on pace, hopefully soon, to reach $500 a month in passive income just on dividends and the covered call ETFs. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this out right now. So here's my dividend portfolio, the Death Star, sitting at $34,598.10. My return is 71.46%. Now remember, I bought the dip. I really revamped this dividend portfolio when the pandemic hit. Made a total of $3,059.92 in dividends. Market gain is $4,376. So again, the dividends are really flowing right now. So I'll show you a few things with this portfolio. So with my total dividends, okay, $3,059.92. Real estate sector BDC, that's LTC and Iron Mountain. I made $440.43. The Super REIT, which I'll go over, $212.91. QYLD 187. The communications sector / high yield, $155.36. Omega Health Investors, I made a total of $152. RYLD is $143.62. Altria, I made $136.46. Monthly dividend ETFs, I'll go over that with you guys, $133.34. BTI made $129.63. XYLD, I made $127.32. PBA, $88.33. Pfizer, $84.93. Enbridge, $84.44. The BDC mREIT, $77.18. Spirit Realty Capital, I made $75.70. BGS, $61.20. UVV, $57.48. Coca-Cola, $51.45. CSWC, $50.05. One Oak, $45.55. SLG, $33.90. Unilever, $32.91. Kinder Morgan, $32.49. MPLX, $29.96. BC, $27.90. Agree Realty Corporation, $15.48. Refi, $13.15. MMP, $3.42. The shipping, we'll go over that. $2.88. And EPD, I made 67 cents. So let's go over this portfolio. First, the real estate sector / BDC. So I sold a lot of stuff. Monthly dividend REITs, ETFs is LTC Properties and Iron Mountain right now. So I'll go over the amount of shares that I have with these guys shortly. Next, we got the Super REIT. I have AFCG Gamma. I've posted numerous videos on them. CareTrust REIT, MPW, Pine Acre, and then HR, Healthcare Realty Trust. Then this communication sector that I call the high yield thing. Verizon, I have a lot of shares. BCE, Telus, 315, Zim. I added IIPR. Eventually, I'm going to start getting more shares in the IIPR. I bought them and sold them. I got Altria, Omega Health Investors, monthly dividends, ETFs. I put them at 1%, but I will be buying a lot more eventually individually, so you can do that on M1 Finance as well. Devo, Jeppy, and Nusi right here, but I'm not really focused on them yet. Then we have QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. Remember, I said my goal is to make $100 a month in QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. My long-term goal is $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends and $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends. Pfizer, right here, I put it down to 1%. I'll eventually buy more shares, probably individually. Spirit Realty Capital, Enbridge, VC Properties at 3%. Coca-Cola, I'm going to buy more shares individually. One Oak, CSWC, right there, MPLX, PBA, then Kinder Morgan. Then I have the shipping. So I have Starbucks carriers, and then I added a little bit of BDCs to it too. Owl Rock Capital Corp, Vitus Investment Group, Golden Ocean Group, Diana Shipping, Starbucks Carriers, and FFL Corporation. So I'm probably going to buy these individually with these guys and then start buying more. So if I can get to 100, 200 in those with the shipping, because of their schedule, it really helps with a certain amount of dividends at a certain time. Then I can eventually start reinvesting more and buying more shares, because the long-term goal is, again, once I get to $100,000, $200,000 with the Death Star, things are going to start rolling. So I'm going to tell you too, it feels so good to be done with my classes, because I can start doing more things with my portfolio. And let's go to the holdings. So number of shares, I have 51 positions. Iron Mountain 60.21, LTC 47, BTI 41, Altria 34, Omega Health Investors, do it in order. QYLD 68, Iron Mountain 60, RYLD 58, LTC 47, Omega Health Investors 42, BTI 41. So I need to get about 100, 200 shares. Kinder Morgan 39, CSWC 38, AFCG Gamma 36, Altria 34, Reefy 32, MPW 30, Verizon 28, XYLD 28, Rhythm Capital, which is basically the NRZ, 27 shares, VC 26, BGS 25. BGS is having some issues financially. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a dividend cut. I'll still hold on to them. Ares Commercial, 25 shares, Spirit Realty Capital 25, MPLX, Hercules Capital, I think I can get to probably 200 and then go from there. Buy them individually. That's probably what I'm going to do. Pfizer 24, CareTrust 23, Enbridge 22, Ready Capital Corp, they're pretty cheap. I can easily get to 200 shares with those guys and start racking it up. Pembina 20 shares, Pine 20, Nusi 19, Ares Capital Corp, I need to get those guys a little bit higher. Devo 14, TELUS 13, TSLX 13.8, Coke 13, UVV 13.48, then EPD, and then One Oak. One Oak is 13, EPD is 11, HR is 10, Diana Shipping is 10.48, SLG Realty 1032, SFL 10.21, JEPI 8. So again, eventually I'm going to start buying more with those guys. Agree Realty Corp, they're way up there. I need to start getting the shares from these other stocks, start buying these guys because I can't keep up. Zim at 5, Fidus and Owl Rock at 4 apiece, FSK, another business development company, and then Starbucks Carriers at 3. So I need to get more shares, and obviously I need to get to at least 100 in a lot of these to start doing some serious damage. I'm already doing some damage, but it's just not enough yet. So by the way, if you click my affiliate link, we both get $10 a piece if you're interested in creating a M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So that's my dividend portfolio right now, the updates. And I will do a video on the shipping companies and why I invested in them, and this is why I want to earn passive income through those guys. And guess what? Remember with M1, the nice thing with these taxes, they kind of do it for you with like PBA and Enbridge and all them. That's kind of convenient. Now, let's go to E-Trade. So my E-Trade portfolio is at 38,462. So the big ones that I need to look at is, let's go to quantity. Now let's do it the other way. There we go. So I'll show you all the shares that I have with these stocks. Arbor Realty Trust, I have 217. I already told you guys I'm going to get to 400, leave it alone, and let it fly. Gain, I have 177. SQFT, it's like a cheap real estate investment trust. I have 117 shares. Realty Income, I have 105 shares. SFTW, it's like kind of a spin-off thing. It's weird. I don't even know how to explain it when these guys kind of broke off. Store Capital, I'm at 97, so I'm almost at 100. And I'm going to tell you, If I can get, let's see, they're 28.32. If I can get to 200 to 400 shares, watch out. Main Street Capital, I'm almost at 100 shares, which is exciting. Dacom Capital Group at 94 shares. I can easily get to 400 or so shares and then go from there. I just need to get this travel nursing job, and then things are going to start going crazy. Huntington Bank shares, probably my goal will be to get to 400 shares. Same with HTBK. Leave them alone. EPR Properties, I'm at 72. I'm going to let it fly for right now. It's starting to catch up right now. VTRS, right now I have 65 shares. Stag, I have 57. I'm probably not going to buy Stag until I start seeing better dividend hikes. I can tell you, Franklin Resources right now is a better investment than Stag, and it's a quarterly dividend stock, and it's cheaper. IVR, I'm at 51 shares right now, so I held on to it. There were some decent, promising news. They're still taking a lot of time to grow, and thing is that reverse stock split, I had 490 shares, and then you divide by 10, and then right now I'm at 51 shares because of the dividends. KeyBank, I have 48. There's a high possibility that I should get to 400 shares. Conagra Brands, I'm at 32. NHI, I'm at 28.14, and WPC Carry, I'm at 22.74. Very pricey. I'm just going to leave these guys alone, them and NHI right now. Let the dividends do their thing, and then probably invest in those guys in the long run. So that's my dividend portfolio right now. Long-term goals, definitely 400, Arbor Realty Trust. Huntington Bank shares, HTBK, 400 shares. Shore Capital, 200 to 400 shares. VTRS, 400 shares. I can get to that with those guys. I'm considering buying Regions Financial Corp. RF is a symbol. I did videos on those guys, and I'm just letting you know what I plan on doing. I'm going after the real estate sector, the business development companies, and the financial sector. They're down. They're trying to recover. It's taking a long time. I'm just capitalizing on the dip as well as dollar cost averaging every week. So let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I finally revealed to you my dividend portfolio. Tomorrow I will not post a video. I have to do some paperwork to get ready for my rotations, and I have to do all this paperwork to get ready for the potential travel nursing, these physical forms and all this stuff. I have to get that taken care of. But I will post a video on Friday. You guys take care and have a good one. And happy Dividend Warrior Wednesday.